Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can acquire new boots for your club. So for example, let's tap your club and tap the locker room and go to appearance, and this one, the last one is the boots. You can get this EA blue and white, and also you can get this EA silver. You can get more in the founder store. Let's get back to main page. Go to the store, and as you can see there are some options here: division rifles, live event, welcome to FC Mobile, and also this one, founders. This one, souvenir shoe pack. Tap it. So you can get this souvenir shoes pack by exchanging with this founder points that can be earned from season transition and used to acquire packs in founder store. With only 50 founders point, you can get this souvenir shoes pack, black with green, and you can change in the appearance that I showed you before. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. Enjoy the game.